Hey, it's Sari with Shelf Genie, and it was nice meeting the both of you this morning. So I put together a quick YouTube video so you can get a better idea of how great Shelf Genie is going to look in your kitchen. So we'll start with the right side of your desk, and you have a center post. We'll go ahead and remove that center post, and we'll do on the bottom a 2.5 inch high glide out that will fully extend, and you have full clearance to pick everything up. And then above it, you have that half shelf in, and that turns into a full glide out. So we'll do another 2.5 inch height glide out. Just as a reminder, all of our glide outs hold up to 100 pounds. The next cabinet, which is the far right of the desk area, we'll cut that center post and we'll go ahead and do a 2.5 inch and a 2.5 inch height glide out. Then we'll walk over to the right of the refrigerator. We're going to hold off and not do this area right now. And then the right side of your Lazy Susan, you have a center post. We'll go ahead and remove it. And we'll do a 2.5 inch height glide out on the bottom. And then a 2.5 inch on the top. And then to the right of your stovetop, once again, you have a center post. We'll do a 2.5 inch and a 2.5 inch. So you will be doing 4 cabinets, and you chose the basic grade, which is a 3-year warranty, and all of our glide outs hold up to 100 pounds. Okay, so in the email, it will have pricing. We can do it right over the phone with a credit card, put half down, and it takes about 8 weeks right now. All right, 770-380-2499.